Hi everyone, how are you doing? I just want to start this video out by saying thank you to everyone who wished me a happy birthday. You guys truly made my day, and to everyone who stopped by my live last night. That was so much fun. I'm a little tired today, but I'm doing okay. I love you guys so much, so thank you again. And also just another reminder that my giveaway is still going on. There's only 2 days left, so if you have not yet entered my 4,000 subscriber giveaway, that link will be down below. But let's get into today's video. So recently I opened the Lux or Love jewelry subscription, and that was for June, which I think was really cool that I was sent that so you guys could see what's coming in the future. But right now the May box is available, so the owner reached out to me and she actually sent me the May box. So for those of you that were interested and have not yet ordered it, still want to see more, now you can see what you will get this month. So the previous video I will link down in the description box. That was for June, and that starts shipping June 4th, I believe. So obviously this is a jewelry subscription. You get 5 pieces, which is really cool and unique to jewelry subscriptions. In my experience, most jewelry subscriptions you get like 3 pieces. So I really liked last month's, especially that turquoise necklace. And I know a lot of you guys did too. I got some compliments on it, so I am excited to see what's in here. I did see some pictures, and I remember thinking the earrings looked really cute. I don't have any jewelry on right now, so I can try out the pieces inside. But like I said, you get 5 pieces of jewelry, and it is $25, and it does ship free. So let's get unboxing. When I open up the box, this is what I see. So similar to last month, there's like these pieces of paper on there. It talks about the Lux or Love fan club. And then it also says a VIP offer. So there is a code here to get 50% off their online boutique store. So they have a subscription box, and then they also sell pieces individually online. So if anyone is interested, of course, I will leave the link to this down in the description box. I'll just let me know if you see anything. I can give you this code. So all of the jewelry pieces, like the last box, are wrapped in jewelry bags. Super nice if you want to keep them for storage. So I'll just grab the first thing I see. Let's see what is in here. Oh, and it looks like this is a bracelet. I really liked how the June box that had like one of everything, like for a full look if you wanted. This is like some gemstones. This is like for a fancy night out, I would think. Let's see how easy it is to get on. Alright, so I was able to get that on myself. I've talked about this a lot in jewelry boxes. I live alone, I am a single girl, I don't have any roommates, so sometimes it's hard to get on certain clasps. But this has like a easy snap closure, like you just like hook it through and bend it. Like it's not one of those you have to actually like do the little hook. Like those are really hard. I think they're called lobster clasps. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think those are difficult. But I think this is cute. Definitely for like a night out, like with a more glam look, I would think. Let's go on to the next piece of jewelry. Oh, and this looks like it's like a little hair barrette. This is like made with pearl type material. This isn't usually like the look I go for, but it is pretty cute. Like, let me see, I'm using the viewfinder. Oops, let me use my mirror, one sec. Something is really like cute about it. Like I might not have put it in perfectly, I just did it really quick, but yeah, normally I don't even have like my part this far back. That kind of worked out today. All right, let's move on to the next item. Ooh, and these are the earrings. So these definitely go with that little clip. Here is what it looks like. Hopefully it is focusing okay. So there's like a little like pearl drop, and then like some floral shaped patterns and a little hoop. Here are them together. I am going to put those on. I like these. I feel like this is such like a pretty feminine type look, like girly. But like not like little girl girly, but like you know what I mean. I think it's cute. Let's move on to the next item. There are 2 left. one, it looks like there are 2 rings in here. One, it looks like it has like a little crown, which reminds me, Meghan Markle had her baby today, the boy, if you guys are follow that. I'm not big into like royal family stuff, but I love her, and Prince Harry is like my favorite prince. That baby's gonna be beautiful. She's like the prettiest woman in the entire world, I think. So let's see. So these rings, like, can't put it on my 1 ring finger and I'll look like I'm married. Not married. So here is that ring. And here is the second. So they aren't fully close. It is like wait, what am I trying to say? It'll fit multiple sizes. And let's move on to the last item. And I'm guessing this is a necklace. Yes. So this one is different than the rest. It's not silver. This one is like rose gold. So this is different. Let me get this little tangle out. So this is what that looks like. So yeah, like I said, this one doesn't really go with the rest of the jewelry just because it is a different tone, so I'm not gonna wear that today. I'm gonna keep my other stuff on. My parents gifted me with a new TV for my birthday. So I ordered a TV stand, so my friend's about to come over and we're going to put together that TV stand. So when my TV arrives tomorrow, it will be ready to go. This is pretty cool. Look at this. It's like, looks like it's a mirror almost. I don't know, that just looks really cool, whatever that is in the little drop down. That's cute. So yeah, that is everything in the May box. So if you order right now, that is what you will receive. All right, so that is everything in this box. So just a little reminder, I didn't really say this in the beginning. The whole goal of this box, they say, is to make you stand out without really putting a dent in your wallet. So you pay $25 and they say everything has a value of $65 or greater. It ships worldwide. So yeah, I will leave the link down below. Let me know your thoughts. Do you think I could rock a little cute barrette like this? I don't know, this might be like one of my favorite things. It looks really adorable to me. I do need to fix it because I think it's like dropping in some of my hairs out in front, but I think a barrette is so cute. I like the earrings too. I think the earrings might be my favorite besides that. Yeah, so barrette, earrings, super cute. We have 2 rings. Do you think someone would think I was married if I wore? This looks like it could be like a wedding ring type thing. Oh, and then there's this one that reminds me of the royals. And then the bracelet, I almost forgot about it. I've had that on. So like I said, this is like pretty fancy. Oh, and it's like heart shaped. I don't think I really mentioned that before. Can you guys tell? I don't know if you could consider that heart, but I like this. I like dainty little things. And then this necklace, that looks like this, and it looks like it is adjustable at the end too. So you can adjust it to your length, but I think it'll probably hit like around here, which is like my favorite spot. So yeah, like I said, I will link their website. I'll also link the June box if you wanted to see what's coming after this. I think that's really exciting that we get a peek at both. And I will give a link, or I would add a link to my giveaway. So if you have not yet entered, like I said, that ends May 8th and is open international. So definitely check that out. It's a big thank you to all of you, my subscribers, who I love so, so much. Thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.